Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on what part of the world you're in, what time it is. This is Chris again, the Watch Sounds, coming at you with another video. Today's video is really a quick unboxing, as I just got both of these watches. Quick wristwatch check. The Browns are indeed playing. Enjoying a good cup of coffee. And the Breitling Endurance Pro, of course, is on, as usual. Got to support the team. But today's unboxing is as titled. It is the Seiko. This is the SRPE05. A lot of you are familiar with these Seiko boxes, so not a lot of fanfare here. This is the green version of the Turtle, which is a watch that I've wanted for a little while now. I'll dive in and show you the watch in question, and as mentioned in the title, I get to test drive this one, the Tudor Ranger, for a little bit. My buddy Luke is kind enough to let me borrow it. I've thought about buying this one. I'm not sure if I'm going to or not, as I do believe he is going to sell it. First impressions on this is it's a little bit smaller than I thought, but we'll get on to that in another video. And again, you'll notice the background kind of changing here as I'm working on the studio a little bit. I did pick up this Rolex clock. I picked it up from another watch dealer that was selling them, Yuri Watches. Shout out to you, bud. Appreciate it. Quick, fast shipping. Pretty good deal. They're about $200 on his site. So can't complain there. I went with the Tiffany OP just because something different. Well, we probably never have the watch myself in my own collection. But I figure as a clock it looks really, really cool, guys. So if you guys like that, let me know down below and I'll give you a way to get a hold of him, because he does have many variations. But again, we will go on to the unboxing itself and show you the watch. And here is the said box, guys. This is my own watch, so I'm not going to be wearing the gloves for this one. And again, here is the designation, SRPE05, guys, if I can get my camera to focus in on that. But it's the SRPE05. This is that green Seiko. Nothing too crazy on the box, just typical plastic Seiko box, guys. So I'll avoid all that fanfare there. And on to the watch in question, guys. Now this is a particular darker shade of green. This one I believe is designated almost like a grenade kind of dial, just because of the shape of the dial. And again, this is kind of not really my first impression, since I've been wearing it for a week, and I love this thing. This is almost a perfect watch. I'll do a full review here probably in about a week or so once I've owned it a little bit more, as I have owned Turtles in the past, so I do feel like I can give a pretty good unbiased review on this. Now the strap, Seiko upon first impressions has really improved their straps, guys. This is really comfortable strap. I may end up putting one of the Random Rob Bruce Williams collab straps on there, like the red maybe. I feel like would go good on there, as I do have a 22mm red. Let me know down in the comments if you guys think that'd be a pretty good combo, as I do believe this is a strap monster from what I hear, and this is almost the perfect fall watch, that green kind of color. As you can see, the stainless steel finishing, guys. Again, this is not a full review, guys. This is just my first impressions. It's overall. I do have the wrist for it. If you have a bigger wrist, mine is 7-inch wrist, guys. If you have a bigger wrist, like 7 or above, even 6.5, I feel like you can definitely pull this watch off, as the ergonomics on Seiko, they always wear a lot smaller than people would think. It does come with that in-house movement, unidirectional bezel, 120 click, and overall, first impressions on this one as well. Everything does seem to line up on this, as not a lot of the older Seikos in the past they had alignment issues or the movement issues. Knock on wood, I think I got a good example here, and I do feel like quality-wise, Seiko has stepped up their game a lot, guys. But again, this has been a quick unboxing and first impressions, and as I mentioned, I am going to be test driving this bad boy for a week or so. I'll leave a review down here below. I'm not going to really do an unboxing on this one, as it's been overdone, overkilled on YouTube already. So I'm going to leave that alone there, guys. Just wanted to show you what I have incoming, what I have kind of outgoing as well. Like I said, I've thought about buying this, but I'm not 100% sure I am. If I don't get this one, I'm probably going to get the Zen, probably rebuy Zen, either the 104 or the U1. I do miss both of those, guys. I'm kind of rebuying all the old watches that I had way back when, as I do miss a lot of those watches. But again, let me know what you think down in the comments below. Have you thought about getting this particular Seiko? Have you thought about getting this particular Tudor Ranger? I don't know how available these are, guys. This one will be for sale, I do believe. I will leave Luke's contact info in that video if he wants me to as well. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think down in the comments. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, do all that good YouTube stuff. And we will see you in the next one. Peace.